Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic which is related to Qshell command. So mainly we are going to see a process through which we can search for any single character within a specific range. Okay, so let's say if you would like to search for any specific character, but it should come under a specific range. For example, we want to search for all the characters which is in the range of A to C or A to D. Okay, so in this condition, like how we can utilize the grep command, so that's that thing we are going to discuss in today's session. Now what we will do, like firstly I'll explain you the requirement. So just for that, what I will do, I will show you the data that we have prepared in order to perform the demo. And in my file, like I have designed some data, so from that data we will understand the requirement. Once requirement is clear, then we will look for the further things, like how we can use the thing, how we can fetch the data with grep command on Qshell, right? And once there we will perform some type of different type of variations to fetch the data. Okay, and then once we are comfortable with the Qshell command, then we will see the cl program, like how we can use the cl program in order to execute the command. Okay, so let's start with this. So first of all, we are supposed to write work lnk command, which is work link command. Then simply hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will take you to the present working directory. So in my case, my present working directory is /home/Sharmit. Okay, so this is my present working directory. Now from this directory location, there I have already created one file which is abc.txt. So this file we are going to use for the demo purpose. Now if I take option 5 here, you can see here I have designed the data as per my need. So this is just a random data for the test purpose. Okay, now we will understand the requirement here. So suppose I want to look for all the character which came under the range of A to C. Okay, so let's see. Uh, we have three characters A to C. So firstly we will look for the A. So if you check the first line, it contains the letter A. It means it is okay with the condition, right? So it will pick this line. Then it will check for B. B is there? No. C is there? No. Similarly, it will check for second line. ABC is there? No. Then for this line, ABC is not present in a small case, right? Because in our range we have small case. Then again ABC is not there as well, here as well, and here as well. So from this data we can easily identify that only there is one single row, first row, which contains A. Below to this, all these rows does not contain A, B, C. So if we are looking for this series A to C range, then it will populate only first line. Got it? Fine. Similarly, what will happen if I search for D, A to D? So in that case, you can see it will be selected, this will be selected, but not these two. Why? Because here we are using capital D. And you know that grep command is a case sensitive. Here a small d is different from capital D. Although we have different ways to correct it, means if you would like to ignore the case sensitivity, we can do that. But for time being, if you are just directly using this range, then it will not select these two lines. It will select only these two because it contains small d, A and BC is not there, right? Fine. Likewise, if you would like to go for the capital letters, then yes, you can do in this way. Even you can pass in this range. Okay, so it is up to you, like how you are going to customize this command in order to fetch your desired output. But overall thing is that we are going to see a process through which we can fetch the data with the help of uh, simple grep command. Okay, for a specific range. So now what we need from this screen, we need this browse option. So just copy this because this is our location where the file resides. So we should copy this, and now it's time to run this. So let me take you to the QSH screen. So simply write QSH. What QSH will do? It will open the Qshell command entry. Just simply hit enter here. Once you hit enter, it will take you to this screen, which is QSH command entry. and here you can perform all the Qshell related command. So let's say I want to run the same command, so I will write grep, then space, make sure to put the space, then double quote, in square bracket you can write A to C, then square bracket again and double quote. Post that you can put your file location, which is /home /sharmit /abc.txt. So now what this command will do, it will look for the dead characters which is in the range, any character which is in this range A, B, C, where in the file /home /sharmit abc.txt. So simply hit enter, and once I hit enter you can see it prints the data from the first line only, because this is the only line which contains A. B or C is not there in any of the line, but A is present in one line, which is the first line. Got it? Similarly, if I search for A to D, in this case it will include all the lines which contain B, C and D. So you can see it prints only two lines because these two lines contains the letter D. B, C is again not present in any of the file. But there might be one question, like we have other two rows there which was not selected because those were in capital D, and that's why it ignored that. Okay, what will happen if I try to search like this? You can see now it is coming. Okay, so this is the one way. Similarly, if let's say if I want to go for A to D but I want to ignore the case sensitivity, so in this case I can simply put I here, -I, and it is ready to go. So the moment when I hit enter, it will print this data. Okay, so this is how it works. Likewise, let's say if I am interested in line number as well, so I can simply customize it by putting n here. So what it will do, it will provide me the line number. So you can see demo, and demo is the data which contains A to D, any of the character between A to D, and these are the line number where these rows are present. Likewise, if let's say I want to search for all the characters, so I can put A to Z and hit enter. Case sensitivity is ignored, so you can see all the line has been printed. Now there might be one question like why there is a blank space, why there are missing like lines. 2 after 2 3 is not there, 4 5 is not there, because those were blank rows. So in blank rows there is no match with A to Z, right? That's why it skipped those rows and print only those data which contains the row with a specific range of characters. Got it? Fine. So this is the one thing which I would like to show you, and I think now on QSH we are comfortable, so it's time to run this command with the help of clle program. So for that I'm opening one of my existing program with 5. So here you can see this program is to search for any single character within a range. Okay, now below to this we are firstly declaring the variable, because without variable we are not supposed to pass the command. So simply write dcl, then provide your variable name, which is command, type is character, length is 256. So this is the variable which we are going to use to perform the demo. Then simply use chgvar to set the command, chgvar, then variable name is command, value is hyphen grep space double quote A to C double quote abc.txt. Okay, so this is the one thing, and then we are good to run the command. If you remember in one of our the last session, we were facing some issues related to CCS ID, right? So same thing might be occur, like same thing might happen here as well. That's why I'm not taking F4 here, because I think that issue was generated when I take the moment when I take the F4. So that's why I'm directly explaining you. But if you have any doubt in the basics, let's say if you don't know how to declare the variable, how to use chgvar command, then you can refer the previous session, or I recommend you to follow the entire series, because every session is in a proper sequence, so that would be helpful for you. Okay, because for time being we are just focusing on the main concept, which is executing the Qshell command from clle program. So simply write strqsh to start the command and provide your variable name, which is command. So yeah, we are good with this program. So let's simply go and compile this program, and after compiling I'm calling it. So you can see It is printing only one line because we are searching for A to C, and it prints only this line. Got it? So yeah, this is how we can utilize the grep command in order to search for any character within a specific range. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.